Hey Team Creative, welcome back guys. Today we are going shopping. I wanted you guys to be able to browse with me at Hobby Lobby. Guys, they have some of the most amazing spring decor and it's really budget friendly because they start out at like 40% and they continue to increase up as you know. So we are going in right now. Immediately I see this chair. They kind of resemble a bird cage. I'm not even sure the exact name, but I absolutely love these for any patio setting, any event decor. They're just so unique and they are so sturdy and provide strong support. So those are absolutely amazing. That one was quite expensive. It was like four something. I'm not sure if it's on sale, but it is an investment. So I was just browsing at some of the decor in the entryway. And I'm going to take you guys inside with me and see what they have. Even as I was entering the store, I noticed so many people were buying pieces for the spring. So guys, don't forget Hobby Lobby. If you're looking for something, you can always combine. I know things are difficult right now as far as budget for many people, but you can grab a few things to just put some spring color and brightness into your space. You can also combine some things that you purchase from any of your local department stores with some thrifted items from a thrift store and make your space absolutely amazing. So I wanted to give you guys just a peek here of some of their spring decor. They have amazing table runners if you want to do a tablescape, place settings as far as dishes, just several different things, like I said, that have pops of pink, blues, pastels, all type of spring colors. Now their Easter section is always absolutely amazing. I love these jars. You could do a dessert station, put treats in them on your kitchen countertop. Just amazing and so many different options that you could do with those. I thought their selection for bunnies were really cute. You could place these on a table in your living room, on a bedside table, to bring some of the holiday in to your master bedroom if you wanted to. The options are definitely endless. I always like to show you guys around this time of the year their storage pieces. They have several storage boxes here. And then their storage bins. The spring colors are absolutely gorgeous. So they usually do some deeper colors. There's a gold, there's a terracotta, a beautiful gray, and an olive green. And then they have the lighter pastel colors. And I think they are absolutely gorgeous. Here, guys, when I went in, I was looking for a wreath. They do have several wreaths that you could choose from, places you can put them on the front door in different areas of your home. Like I said, Easter is really out right now. So it was amazing, guys, to see how much people have already bought. The aisles were already getting empty. Um, so people are definitely preparing for the holiday. I thought these carrots were really cute and could be a major statement piece if you put some lanterns outside on your front door and put those at your front door. Something like this at the front door would be amazing as well. And then these little things, I always have to pull myself away. These are scales, kitchen scales, ice cube trays. They're glasses. They come in pastel colors. They had them in several colors. And this kind of stuff always draws me in because I like to change up things, switch up your decor. Those glasses would be cute for an outdoor patio gathering. So it kind of just gives you different options. Even the shredders they had in different colors, guys. So I really have to refrain because I'm always one that draws into this type of stuff just because I love switching things up. I love the colors. I love the options. I think I actually have the gray shredder. Here are some more table runners that they had in different designs. Like I said, there are some spaces that you see, guys, as I move along that are really empty because people have already purchased and are preparing for spring. They had a lot of different blues. As we go along, I'm actually going to even show you guys some earth tones. I haven't ever smelled their soaps, so if you guys know what their soaps smell like, drop in the comment section below what's your favorite fragrance in their soaps, because I see them each year and I've never actually tried those. But I think it's pretty cool that they have them. You could pop them in your bathrooms or at your kitchen sink and put a tray under them and bring some color into your kitchen. They also, of course, guys, have different things like your strawberries, your roosters, your sunflowers. So if you are looking for something for a kitchen theme, lemons, don't forget to check out Hobby Lobby. They tend to have even the items like your kitchen appliances, your mini kitchen appliances, your crock pots, and that type of thing. A lot of times they will have the exterior decor of those in a pattern if you're looking for those. I've even seen the leopard theme, and I think those are really, really cute. They have all of your utensils. If you're a person who loves to bake and you want to brighten up your kitchen, change out things in your utensil holder, and you would like some color, Hobby Lobby is definitely the place to check out. Now, there's a chalkboard here that I thought was really, really cute. Could be cute on a kitchen counter. You could write your own little saying there. Just some other decor pieces that you could put into a kitchen area. That could be like a farmhouse chic look. And then here were some more wreaths. These could be spring, but they kind of are more Easter to me. So if I get something I really like, now the ones with the tulips could be for the entire spring, and that's what I try to aim for if I'm gonna do decor. I may add a bunny rabbit or something, or a cute little picture like you see here, but I like for my stuff to be able to be used throughout the entire spring. That way you're not just purchasing something that after Easter you have to remove it. So if I have to remove my Easter bunny, I can, but as far as the colors and the wreaths or whatever, I like for it to be able to be used through the entire spring, which just makes sense because things are expensive and you want to get the most use out of whatever you purchase. So definitely, guys, I thought this sign was so cute. Cottontail Farms, they just have some really nice pieces. A lot of times they actually have a lot of linen, napkins, napkin rings. I didn't see a lot of that, so maybe it has sold already for this year. These are just some earth tones. That's a utensil holder that you could put some of those beautiful colors in for utensils. They have earth tones and just some wood-based place settings, different things that you can use in your kitchen here. And then the aprons here, I showed you guys some aprons earlier. Those were the brighter colors. These are the more neutral tones that you can actually use throughout the entire year if you're a big person that bakes. And then again, some other themes for animal lovers. So they don't leave anyone out. If you love animals, they actually have those patterns as well. And then I thought that these Yeti cups and designs were really cute. And so I'm just going to show you guys some more of their kitchen supplies, their rolling pins. There are more utensils in neutral colors. If you're more of a neutral person and you want something that you can use year out, they definitely have that too. Now me, I do bake, but I'm just not a detail baker, or I don't know what I should call it, but I mean, I don't typically roll out dough or make homemade dough for rolling pins, so I don't get that detail in the kitchen, but I do enjoy preparing meals in my kitchen. So I think you have to make things really comfortable for your space, guys. It's important that you're comfortable when you're in your home and it reflects a part of you. They also have these pillows, what I find are absolutely gorgeous, different colors. And I'm going to walk you guys to the home department as far as decor pieces. So these were just some of the outdoor flowers and outdoor stakes that you can put in your yard to pull color into your yard and your outdoor space. So if you're a person that likes to put things in the yard as your guests arrive to give it a pop of color, they have those as well. And then these were just some baskets and different shelving and signs. They had things anywhere, like I said, from sunflower to farmhouse chic. So if there is something you're looking for, you can definitely find it. There's flamingos, butterflies. They have a little bit of everything. I really am amazed at how much Hobby Lobby has grown. They have so many more options now than they did years ago as far as different mirrors and just clocks, home accent pieces. They have a lot and they transition so fast, guys. So you have to grab the things that you want. They're already 40% off, and we're just hitting the first day of spring. So you will see it gradually increase, of course, in the amount that the percentage. It'll go to 50, 60, and by the time they get to anything higher than 60%, most of the products for that season are gone. Now, occasionally you can catch some things as you're exiting out of a season and keep it for the following year. But if you're looking for something, you have to go ahead and grab what you want. I thought these shelves were really, really cute. They could be used to do a bathroom makeover, an entryway. Just the options are endless for these shelves. I'm really starting to see people incorporate these in their home over the last year or two. So if you're looking for something to do that and to make a statement piece as you do a makeover in a bathroom or an entryway, definitely check them out. They had some large baskets here, and some things that you could also put on your kitchen counter to serve guests. Some tiered trays that I thought were really, really nice as far as the wood grain materials. So I'm just going to walk you guys through a few other places. I am going to do a shop with me for kids, for like a nursery or baby room. Just smaller kids. They have some amazing decor for children, so be on the lookout for that if you have kids and you're thinking about sprucing up their room. I'm gonna let you guys enjoy the rest of this video. Be blessed. Thank you for coming along with me, guys, and thank you for all of the support. I'm so grateful to have each of you who have joined Team Creative. If you haven't joined, go ahead and consider clicking that subscribe button and becoming a part of the creative team. We love you and be blessed. I will see you guys in the next video.
Starts racing, but I don't know if I like this chasing and playing and waiting around. It's a shame that my hands start shaking all of the time when you're around me. But this time, girl, I know what's bothering me. I need somebody to love. Oh, nah, 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 nah. Don't you see what's wrong with me? I need somebody to love. Oh, oh, nah, nah. God, I'm sick of this waiting. You got me going crazy tonight. So why don't you come on over and be my somebody to love? Somebody to love, somebody to love, somebody. I need somebody to love. I need somebody. I need somebody. Give me somebody, somebody to love. Did you ever stop and think, why spend too much time just getting ready? Let me be honest, I don't know a single thing that I haven't done to make you notice me. Let me be real here. When I see you, my heart starts racing, but I don't know if I like this chasing and playing and waiting around. It's a shame that my hands start shaking all of the time when you're around me. But this time, girl, I know what's bothering me. I need somebody to love. Oh, nah, 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 nah. Don't you see what's wrong with me? I need somebody to love. is chasing